Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable auto boost stabilization on Mission 1 Pro. So first we want to make sure that we are in the video mode. So we're going to go over and switch that to video in our app. You can also do it on the GoPro. Right here you can manage the modes, but I feel like the app is easier. So we're going to click on the pen icon, and here what are we going to do is I'm going to simply go for 16:9, and I'm going to boost those frame rates up. Now we want to go to HyperSmooth, and here in HyperSmooth we have auto boost. We can turn it on or turn it off. Now if you want to know what the auto boost does, basically you need to go over and go to manage modes here, go to your edit settings, and scroll down here until you see the auto boost. So the auto boost is you can either find it here, sometimes it pops up here, or you have to find it in those settings right up top here. Here, as you guys can see, it will maximize the video stabilization with dynamic cropping. This will just maximize the video stabilization, and it will turn the video stabilization completely off. As you guys can see, it is also updating in here. So it doesn't really matter if you use the app or you use the GoPro, you still get the same result. And that's how you guys can enable auto boost stabilization on Mission 1 Pro. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.